Welcome everyone. Vipreet Raj Yoga in a birth chart in Vedic astrology. This is a very powerful and important yoga in Vedic astrology, but somewhat tricky. You should be very careful while analyzing this yoga in a birth chart. Vipreet Raj Yoga is not just a Raj Yoga. It arises from adversity. Vipreet Raj Yoga is a promise of reversal. As we know, in Vedic astrology, houses 6, 8 and 12 are known as Trik houses, that is Trik bhavas or Dusthanas. According to great rishis, if in a birth chart, if any Kendra Lord or Trikona Lord, that is Lord of 1st house, 4th house, 7th house or 10th house, or 5th house or 9th house, comes to these houses, results related to that good house are compromised. And if a Pap Graha, that is a malefic planet, is aspecting this placement or is conjunct with this Lord, it further destroys the positive outcomes related to that good house. Understand with one example. If for Aries Lagna, Lord of 7th house, Venus, is placed in 6th house, which is a Trik Bhav, it is not good for marriage. And if some malefic planet, let us say Saturn, is aspecting this Venus from 9th house, this will further compromise the results related to 7th house. Or if Saturn is sitting with Venus in 6th house, then also results related to 7th house will be compromised. This will cause a big damage to 7th house. So remember, if in a birth chart, any Kendra Lord or Triangle Lord is in 6th house or 8th house or 12th house under malefic influence, it compromises that Kendra or Trikona house. But in case of Trik Bhavas, this rule changes. In Vedic astrology, this outcome is reversed for Trik houses and their lords. And this is called Vipreet Raj Yoga, a Raj Yoga that emerges from adversity. Houses 6, 8, 12 and their lords are seen for challenges, hardships and problems. But due to certain planetary alignments, if Lord of 6th house or 8th house or 12th house becomes afflicted, and in place of creating hardships, it starts giving favorable auspicious results to the native, just like a Raj Yoga, then this is known as Vipreet Raj Yoga. Vipreet Raj Yoga works on the principle of iron cuts iron. Lords of 6th, 8th and 12th houses are known for creating challenges in our life. But when they become afflicted in 6th house or 8th house or 12th house, they start being nice and give positive outcomes. Start offering opportunities in place of hardships and obstacles. Start showing opposite behavior. When lords of Trik houses are placed in afflicted condition in Trik houses itself, their power to create troubles is neutralized, and in that situation, they start behaving in a positive way and start giving auspicious results to the person. That is why this is called Vipreet Raj Yoga. Just like Raj Yoga, Vipreet Raj Yoga gives all good results like position, power, authority, promotion, status, fame, recognition, and also good health, unexpected financial gains in the Mahadasha, Antardasha or Pratyantar Dasha of the planets involved in forming the yoga. Understand the formation of Vipreet Raj Yoga with examples. First, take the example of Aries Lagna. Let us suppose Mercury is placed in the 6th house of this birth chart. Then Mercury is in Swarashi. Mercury is strong in this birth chart in 6th house. This is not a Vipreet Raj Yoga because according to definition, Lord of 6th house or 8th house or 12th house has to be afflicted in 6th house or 8th house or 12th house of the birth chart to form Vipreet Raj Yoga. But here Mercury is strong. Now suppose Rahu is sitting with Mercury in 6th house and Ketu is in 12th house. Now this becomes Vipreet Raj Yoga because Mercury is afflicted in 6th house of this birth chart. So 6th Lord is afflicted in 6th house. So it becomes a Vipreet Raj Yoga. Another example, for Pisces ascendant, Lord of 6th house, Sun, is placed in 8th house of this birth chart. Then Sun is debilitated in 8th house because we know Sun is debilitated in Libra. So the condition is fulfilled. 6th Lord is in afflicted position in 8th house. So it becomes a Vipreet Raj Yoga for Pisces ascendant. Now if we say that in this birth chart, Saturn is also placed in 2nd house of this birth chart. So Saturn will be aspecting 8th house from 7th house. Now the affliction increases. Already Sun is debilitated. Now it is being aspected by a strong malefic planet Saturn. So it becomes a strong Vipreet Raj Yoga. This is how Vipreet Raj Yoga is formed in a birth chart. When you will check the formation of Vipreet Raj Yoga in a birth chart, do not forget to check the position of Lagna and Lagan Lord. If Lagna is not strong in the birth chart, Vipreet Raj Yoga will become ineffective. Subscribe the channel for informative, well-explained sessions in Vedic astrology. And please don't forget to hit the like button. But remember, Vipreet Raj Yoga is not just a Raj Yoga. It gets activated after inflicting very tough conditions and challenges in life. During initial phase, person may have to face tough situations, rivalry, litigation, health issues, challenges in professional life, financial troubles, etc. But all these challenges are part of process to prepare the person for future growth. And when the Mahadasha or Antardasha or Pratyantardasha of the planets forming Vipreet Raj Yoga arrives, sudden positive changes start manifesting. Growth in professional life, improvement in health, person starts receiving unexpected help, sudden promotion, power, authority, status, financial gains. All of a sudden, person may become head of some organization, state or even nation. In some cases, Vipreet Raj Yoga has power to write story from rags to riches. A number of famous personalities have this yoga in their birth chart. But there is a strong condition which needs to be fulfilled in order to achieve the benefic results of Vipreet Raj Yoga. Vipreet Raj Yoga in a birth chart can give favorable results only if Lagna is strong, because only then person can overcome difficulties with resilience. If Lagna is weak, person fails to enjoy the good results of Vipreet Raj Yoga. It becomes more like a punishment. Malefic planets or Pap Grihas are Mars, Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Sun. Afflicted planet. A planet is called afflicted in a house if it is debilitated, placed in enemy sign, combust, placed with malefic or aspected by malefic planet. The results a planet can deliver in a particular house of a horoscope depend not only on its position in the horoscope but also on number of factors like its placement, conjunction with other planets, aspects of other planets, house lord positions, etc. All these need to be studied collectively to draw inferences. First step is to master all fundamental rules. To learn more about Vedic astrology, please watch Vedic astrology classes session 130.